Hello, I hope you are well and yours are well too. I'm well. And today's question is how to display CFA level 1 on LinkedIn, or actually how not to display it, because I see many candidates who are doing it wrong, and CFA Institute is going to be very unhappy about it. So, what you should not do is that as a tagline, writing CFA level 1 or CFA level 2 or CFA level 3 expected this or CFA level 2 expected this. That's not allowed. It should not be part of your top tagline. I'm repeating that. I've seen many students doing this. CFA Institute explicitly forbids doing this on your main tagline where people write anything like, for example, X Goldman Sachs, X JP Morgan, or whatever. So do not use CFA level 1 or CFA level 1 expected 2025 in your tagline. So if you have passed level 1, there are two ways to show it. One is that when you pass level 1 or level 2 or level 3, you get a digital badge from CFA Institute through email. And there are instructions that how you can display that digital badge on your profile. So very simple, nothing complex. You can follow that process, and that will not only display that beautiful badge on your LinkedIn profile, but that badge will be verifiable. So anyone can just click on your profile. And these days, for job, a lot of employers just ask you to send your LinkedIn profile. So you will send your LinkedIn profile, they will see the digital badge and they will be happy. And if they want to verify, they will just simply click on it and they will see that it is a legitimate badge. So it's an excellent way of demonstrating that you passed level 1, passed level 2, or passed level 3. If you do not want to use digital badge because of some reason, then CFA should explicitly provide instruction that it should be added to your profile as additional item. So you go to your profile section, add to profile, then select additional, then select add test scores. And over there, you can enter as a title CFA level 1, associated with leave that blank, score, enter past, because there's no score, so just enter past, enter the test date. And in the description, you can write past, for example, past level 2 of the CFA program. That's what CFA Institute says, and CFA Institute explicitly forbids using this in your tagline. And I see so many funny things. I look at names, someone written a tagline, whatever, ACCA, comma, CFA, and then level 1. And then another funny was ACCA, CFA, level 1, bracket, expected date 2024. That's not allowed. Don't do this. You're putting in so much effort and so much time and money to get these certificates. CFA Institute is very strict about violation of guidelines, ethical guidelines. So just for and rest assured, once you have passed level 1, level 2, your employers will find that out easily on through the digital badge. So don't do that. Don't write in the tagline. Yeah. So another question that I get is that how do you know if someone is a charter? For example, how do you know that I'm a charter holder? Well, I'm telling you I'm a charter holder. Now, but how you verify that I'm a charter holder? Okay, that's one is the digital badge. Just like when you pass level 1, level 2, and level 3, you get a digital badge. So just like that, CFA charter holders, which mean you pass 3 levels and you have the relevant experience of roughly 4 years. Um, so people like me or CFA charter holder, we also get a digital badge that we display on LinkedIn, and obviously that's a very convenient way of verifying that if someone is a chart holder. Another method you can use is you can go to CFA Institute website and there is a members directory which is open to everyone. Anyone can search in that directory. So you can put my name in it and search, or whoever you want to learn about. So yeah, just do not add in your top tagline, top profile line as CFA level 1 expected 2026. That would be a big violation. Don't do that. Um, so thanks for watching my video. Keep sending your questions, and I'll try to make videos so that everyone can get answer to those questions. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.